What is up everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing video. But before I get into that, I need to announce the winner of the subscriber win competition that I've been running for one of the license plate relocation brackets that we sell. And this individual is most deserving as he has subscribed to the channel, followed us on Instagram, as well as liked the Facebook business page. This individual is none other than Juan Mar. So congratulations, Juan. We will contact you shortly to arrange collection of your prize. Now that we've got that out the way, let's get back to the business at hand. Unboxing this customer order. And that's the end of the short unboxing video of the Spoon Sports mirrors for the 96 to 2000 model EK, Civic and Ballade. We also do get them in for the 92 to 95 EGs. So if you guys are interested in making any purchases of these mirrors or any other automotive parts and accessories, then all our contact information will be left in the description below. Till the next one, guys, stay safe and stay motivated. Cheers.